मेरे मेरा दिल टूटा है, किसी और का तो मुझे नहीं पता।
रतलाम की गलियों की कौन सी डिसेंट होटल में आप गए हो? That's for another.
And this guy shows up with like a whole box of chocolates and he's like, "Hey, ले तू खा, तूने बोला तुझे अच्छी लगती हैं."
And is also an avid follower of Mia Khalifa's Snapchats. Come talk about the hero.
Oh my God! I had no idea about this. Thank you, Manish.
किशोर कुमार साहब का एक गाना है which says एक अजनबी हसीना से जब मुलाकात हो गई फिर क्या हुआ, कुछ ऐसी बातों पर एक एंथोलॉजी आ रही है 6 लव स्टोरीज की, शॉर्ट स्टोरीज है। इट्स कॉल्ड फील्स लाइक इश्क। उनमें से एक है इश्क मस्ताना, जिनके 3 बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट लोग हैं इन दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन। one of them is a guy who holds the world record for eating 46 momos in 48 hours and is also an avid follower of Mia Khalifa's Snapchats. Come talk about the hero.
Oh my God! I had no idea about this. Thank you, Manish.
There's also a girl
Oh
who
my
has. There's also a girl who has followed heartfulness all her life, is very shy in her personal life, and yet is in a profession that needs her to be the absolute opposite, the always smiling Tanya Manik. Thala, yay!
Lovely.
And the director who on his Twitter bio calls himself a politically incorrect cynic, a cynic who's made a love story. Jaideep Sarkar. Hello. Guys, we are very lucky कि आप लोग इश्क पे फिल्में बना रहे हो और मैं आप लोगों से इश्क की बातें करने वाला हूँ। I grew up in the 90s, heavily influenced by what Yash Chopra gave us, DDLJ, दिल तो पागल है कुछ होता है, Karan Johar, of course, हम एक बार जीते हैं एक बार मरते हैं. In your growing up years, have you guys been influenced by one such Hindi film love ishq philosophy? This is for all 3 of you.
I also grew up in the 90s, Manish. So I grew up obsessed with this film called Dil Hai Ki Manta Nahi.
Wow.
Have you seen this, Tanya? It's an amazing film. I saw that film so many times. I used to rent the VHS that my father finally, I think after the 20th time, said, मैं VHS खरीद ही लेता हूँ क्योंकि ये जो rental में मेरे 20 रुपए जा रहे हैं उससे अच्छा है मैं खरीद लेता हूँ. No, Mahesh Bhatt's love stories I've always really liked. Like even फिर तेरी कहानी याद आई, Ashiki was the music and all of that. Yeah. So, but yeah, that one film it could be Dil Hai Ki Manta Nahi.
I think Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna for me was that love that is meant to be will find a way. So काफी heavily influenced, मतलब full on romantic, but वो होता है ना, I put up a front की नहीं, I don't like it, yeah, it's not for me, I don't watch it, but yeah, full Bollywood.
क्या music था उस film का?
Amazing. I think that is what does it for me. Like the
love will find a way.
sorry.
हम जब 20 seconds में मिलेंगे ना, this will be a playlist.
ठीक है, done.
Super. Skan?
I guess one film that really stayed with me, I guess जब वी मेट मुझे काफी पसंद थी यार, because मुझे वो to find someone and then just to go with that, कहीं भी निकल जाओ इस बंदी के साथ and have fun and live or maybe fall into trouble or do whatever was really nice. So I guess that is something.
So when I do a solo interview in the future, we'll talk about रतलाम की गलियों की कौन सी decent होटल में आप गए हो. That's for another day.
Just because I follow Mia Khalifa, she's so beautiful.
More on that in another interview. Tanya, what has heartfulness taught you about ishq? I know you've been following it for a long time in life.
Heartfulness is a meditation that we do. So my entire family does that, and जैसा आपको पता ही है, I'm a very introverted extrovert. So I am very reserved, and Joydeep and Skanda witnesses. They bully me इस बात पे कि I don't stay in touch. I am unable to. I don't know how to communicate very well. So heartfulness has taught me that the inner turmoil that is going on inside me, everybody feels that way. So that sort of disconnect that I felt with the community around me, I am not alone. So heartfulness has taught me how to calm myself when that turmoil happens. It has taught me that how to bridge that gap between my emotions and the way I express. So it has been my calm. It has been my refuge, to be very honest. a person who is so shy being in front of the camera, being so vulnerable, I'm very very afraid of how people perceive me. So मुझे डर लगता है इन सब चीजों से. तो heartfulness is, I meditate whenever I feel that I'm spiraling out of control. I start meditating, and it just helps me to, like, sort of connect, rekindle whatever I'm feeling, and channelize it into a sort of way that makes me do something productive out of it. So that is something that I'm still working on, but I'll never stop working on it. But yeah.
वाह जयदीप, आपका जो हीरो है उसका नाम कबीर है इस फिल्म में, और इसमें कुछ कबीर की राइटिंग्स भी आपने इस्तेमाल की हैं. Have you been heavily influenced by the writings of Kabir?
Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't say I'm very sort of, I've not read a lot of his work, but this particular song that we've used, Haman Hai Ishq Mastana, in the film, is something that was actually sung in school. I went to school in Delhi, to the Mothers International School, और हम लोग assembly में गाते थे. और इस गाने का ना बहुत interesting पहलू है. It's a romantic song also, and it's also a song of a motivational song also. And Kabir का जो ये duality था वो मुझे बहुत interesting लगता है. The Sufi dualism, and both Skand and Tanya's characters in the film, they talk about this dualism in the film.
Yeah.
So I think Kabir as a poet is so relevant and so important आज की तारीख में. उनकी जो world view है, उनका जो understanding of romance है, and उनका जो philosophy है, वो बहुत ही, I mean, I this particular song has a lot of meaning in my life. It's something I've sung from the time when I was 5. And it's a beautiful song. So,
Beautiful.
yeah.
Skand, sometime last year, so I've got to compliment you कि आप ना captions बड़े interesting लिखते हो अपने photographs पे, अपने tweets पे. Sometime last year, you wrote something which said, वो आसमान छोटा है, मेरी ख्वाहिशें बड़ी हैं. सर, आपने सचिन तेंदुलकर, मिथाली राज के साथ एक ऐड कर लिया. अब Netflix पे आपकी एक फिल्म आ रही है. तो बता दो उस आसमान को और क्या-क्या और कितनी बड़ी ख्वाहिशें हैं जिंदगी में आपकी.
आसमान तो ख्वाहिशें तो सर काफी बड़ी है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनका मुझे ख्याल रखना है, और उन्होंने मेरे लिए बहुत कुछ किया है, और मुझे आई हैव टू गिव ऑल ऑफ दैट बैक, एंड आई हैवंट इवन स्टार्टेड. उन्होंने मेरे फैमिली ने, मेरे फादर ने, मेरे मदर ने, देव सैक्रिफाइस्ड अ लॉट ताकि मुझे एक मेंटल और फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम मिले कि मैं इस लाइन ऑफ वर्क में काम कर सकूं. तो जो मैंने किया है सर अब तक तो वो कुछ भी नहीं है. आई हैव टू डू अ लॉट एंड आई हैव टू गिव ऑल ऑफ दैट बैक. आई हैव गॉट सो मच लव, आई हैव गॉट सो मच सपोर्ट फ्रॉम माय फ्रेंड्स, माय फैमिली, एंड आई एम रियली प्राउड कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा दोस्त नहीं रखता हूँ, बहुत कम दोस्त रखता हूँ, लेकिन बहुत क्वालिटी वाले दोस्त हैं मेरे और हमेशा सपोर्ट करते हैं. तो उन्होंने आज तक जो मुझे दिया है वो मुझे वापस करना है, तो उसके लिए तो अभी तक सर शुरुआत भी नहीं हुई.
इस फिल्म में एक सीन है जहाँ पे ट्रक में ये लोग बैठे हैं और रिद्धिमा की आड़ में स्कंद तारीफों के पुल बांध रहा है अबाउट द हीरोइन, एंड ही सेज जो बोलना है बोलती है, जो करना है करती है. बट Tanya, you yourself said that you're a very shy person. Is Meher, your character, a 180-degree shift from how you are in real life?
Actually, it is not. So Joydeep and I, that is how we connected. That this side of Tanya, जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा कि मैं काफी रिजर्व्ड हूँ, so ये साइड काफी कम लोगों को दिखने को मिलती है. पर जब मुझे कुछ चाहिए होता है, and when I feel strongly about something, I am very very vocal. And I saw that in Meher as well. That she believed that she would go for whatever she believed in, and she believed very strongly in things. She believed that she could bring a change, and that sort of motivation. I want to be that way. There is a hint of Meher in me already, and I want to spark that even more. So that is, I mean, it wasn't a 180-degree change, but that sort of fire that she brings now everywhere, that I want still.
Jaideep, do we in this frenzied world tend to look at things like serendipity and magical moments very cynically? What's your observation been about how the younger generation looks at the idea of ishq?
I think while in the world that we're living in, of dating apps and sort of very transactional sort of this word. I mean, we didn't have, honestly, in the 90s we didn't have the word hookup. You know, we did not. We used to have, you know, date or blind date, and like, you know, those words feel archaic right now. So there is a transactional nature to dating that has come up right now, but at the same time, you know, it's creating connects between people who would have otherwise not met. You know, so I really think this whole the online dating space is very, very interesting. But at the same time, you know, I mean, I know I said I'm a cynic on Twitter, but what I don't like is that, you know, even in the characters in the film that you will see, they're very aware of what they, you know, they hold back. There's a lot of tension in the love story till the very end. You know, it's not, you know, roses and I don't want. I don't think love happens like that. Love happens in a crowd where you can gently hold the other person's hand. You know, it's not in giving cards and a bouquet for me. And it's that romance that really excites me. And you know, if that makes me a little bit of a cynic, maybe I am. But isn't it most amazing when a cynic is also won over by love? So yeah, I don't know if I made sense though.
Was a lot of it. स्कंद, आपका जो कैरेक्टर है कबीर, उसका समर वेकेशन इंदौर में दादी से सारेगामा या फिर सा सीखने में निकल गया, लेकिन स्कंद के बचपन में क्या हाल था इन टर्म्स ऑफ फीमेल अटेंशन और मेल अटेंशन?
फीमेल और अच्छा, आप उस एक पर्टिकुलर इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं?
आपके अपने बचपन की बात।
जी, मैं आई हैव ग्रोन अप विद 2 women in my house. I have a younger sister, I have a mother. So I was, and I still am, very, very good at communicating with females, with women. I am और ये मैं मतलब खुद की तारीफ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ये मतलब मुझे बोला गया है. I'm very mom, I'm very nice. There are things that I understand, but that is only because I have got an upper hand of having a sister in my house. She's 4 years younger to me, and I see her. She's grown up. मेरी mom है, तो उनके लाइफ की जो प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं या उनके जो मेंटल, तो अब मैं घर में इन्हीं के साथ बड़ा हुआ, तो इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर मी टू कम्युनिकेट विद वुमेन, एंड आई थिंक आई एम गुड एट इट, एंड I've been complimented about it, and
and I completely agree. I mean, Skand actually बड़ा चढ़ा के नहीं बोल रहा है. There is a very sensitive side to Skand, which I mean, like he said, he's very warm. So I'll tell you this one thing. We were shooting, and I had mentioned ऐसी कभी पहले that I really like chocolates or ऐसा कुछ. And this guy shows up with like a whole box of chocolates, and he's like, "Hey, ले तू खा, तूने बोला तुझे अच्छी लगती हैं." And we were supposed to share it, but I ended up taking everything because that's me. But yeah, I mean, he's a very good listener. He would listen to me. We would communicate very well together.
Super.
Yeah.
But
He feels, yeah, I just want to add to this. I think, you know, the one thing that just really surprised me and stunned me was how much this boy feels. He's so sensitive to people around.
Yeah.
You know, the truck scene that you're talking about was a very difficult scene to shoot, you know. And he was not just performing, he was really cognizant of everyone, making sure everyone was comfortable, you know. He's really, really gifted in that sense. Very sensitive.
wow. Anya, how many times have the words Tanya se dur rehna from your brother broken the hearts of people at St. Francis Janakpuri or at Shivaji College?
मेरा दिल टूटा है, किसी और का तो मुझे नहीं पता. But no, funnily enough, उसके बाद मुझे कभी पता ही नहीं चला कि आगे से अगर मुझे भी कुछ लगा है मैं अपने तक रखा है, और आगे से अगर कुछ आया है तो उनको मैं भैया बोल देती हूँ कि मुझे नहीं चाहिए कुछ, मैं ठीक हूँ अपने में.
He's like, yes, not.
रक्षाबंधन में इस बार तुम्हें रक्षाबंधन में अच्छा गिफ्ट नहीं मिलने वाला है. तान्या, तुमने अपने भाई की कितनी बुराई की है.
नहीं, I am grateful for.
He will let bygones be bygones. But guys, आपके जो दो कैरेक्टर्स हैं मेहर और कबीर, ये पुलिस के चक्कर में पड़ जाते हैं. आप लोग रियल लाइफ में कभी पड़े हो पुलिस के चक्कर में?
टचवुड नहीं.
बड़ा सोच समझ के जवाब दे रहे हो.
हाँ. मतलब मैं छोटी छोटी चीजें याद कर रहा था कि नहीं, never.
Jaideep, you've made ad films now where you have a limited time to tell the story. It's often 30 seconds or a minute. Now when you're making a short story like this one, can you tell the same story in say 120 minutes or 2 minutes or 5 minutes? How would the approach change? when you know you have about 25 to 30 minutes to tell a story like this?
You know, I really think the duration. I mean, we were actually it's a slivers of moments. I feel the structure is different. For example, the purpose of an ad is to actually drive home a particular point. You know, and within that you find a moment and you find a story and a beginning, middle, and an end. Mostly, it's just that one twist, and I find that very interesting. I really love advertising because you know you get very limited time. The challenge is very high, and in that, if you can say a little bit of truth about life, it's really great. This is more luxurious. This allows you to sort of I don't think I could tell this story in you know 2 minutes. I don't think I could say the story in 1 minute because इस story में ठहराव है, इस story में silences है, जो मुझे advertising medium में नहीं मिलेगा. So हर कहानी का अपना medium होता है और इस कहानी का ये medium था. I don't know if this would have been a longer film also. I think the 22 minute that this film is the right duration. एक दिन की कहानी है, एक connection बनता है इन दोनों में और एक भीड़ में दोनों हाथ पकड़ते हैं. यही कहानी.
Beautiful. स्कंद, आपने बड़ा ही भारी भरकम सवाल खुद से पूछा था on Twitter, I think sometime last year. What does making it really mean? Have you found an answer to that question? Making it in quotes.
Yeah.
स्कंद बहुत बातें करता है. ये तो मैंने कभी it's all news to me.
मेरे गिन के ना 50 tweets हो गए.
Wow.
और ये सारे पढ़ लिए. पता नहीं सर. I don't think I'll know anytime soon because I think it's a long journey. काफी लंबी जर्नी है. लेकिन जब जिस दिन पता चलेगा मैं वो भी ट्वीट करूंगा.
Bilkul. Final question. I saw one name throughout the film, in the credits of every film, Devrat Sagar, who is the creator, I think. How is his role different from yours, Jerry?
So Devrat is actually the guardian angel of this project. Devrat, and I actually go back a long way. He's the producer. So Devrat was the showrunner on this, and he was overlooking all 6 episodes, all 6 stories. You know, he was someone who was making things happen. So you know, he was the backbone of this thing. Whether it's the pre-production, the rehearsals, the shoot, the post-production, everything. He was the guardian angel who was sort of, you know, he was a bouncing board. He was someone who was making things happen. He made sure that we got the right crew on board. And, you know, he was someone who feels a lot and he was always in sync with everything. And, he's such a great guy. Really, I mean,
23 जुलाई को आ रही है. इश्क मस्ताना इज पार्ट ऑफ फील्स लाइक इश्क. और मेरी मानो तो वीगन बिरयानी खाते खाते ये फिल्म देख लेना और जो भी फीडबैक हो कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख लेना. वीगन बिरयानी क्यों, ये फिल्म देख के पता चलेगा. Have a good one.
Thank you so much, Manish. It was lovely chatting with you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you guys. Good luck. Bye.